Hey everyone, today we are going to understand what are the differences between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. These terms are very much confusing for beginners, but today we will understand what are the basic differences. Okay, first, what is an artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a computer system which requires human level intelligence to solve the problems of human. Or we can say that this involves creating machines which can mimic cognitive functions so that the machines can think like human, can act like human, can solve the problems of human. That is what is artificial intelligence. This is what our goal is, to create a machines which can have the intelligence of human. Okay, now let's see the picture here. This whole concept is artificial intelligence. Machine learning, deep learning, NLP, those are all comes under the umbrella of artificial intelligence. Okay, now understand what is machine learning. A subfield of artificial intelligence. It mainly works with lots of data like photos, messages, documents, human behavior pattern, and machine learning mainly focuses on different types of algorithms so that it can analyze the data, it can understand the data, it can predict the future of the data from its past behaviors. Okay, so it guesses that what is going to happen based on what? Based on its past behaviors. That is what is machine learning mainly focused on. So it is an artificial intelligence. It is a part of artificial intelligence, but it mainly focuses on leveraging data. Next is deep learning. Deep learning is also machine learning, but a specialized field of machine learning, a subfield of machine learning. Okay, and it is used for handling more complicated tasks like face recognition, autonomous driving in vehicle, generating images, producing music. For this, we use deep learning. Deep learning is mainly focused on neural network. Different types of neural networks are used: artificial neural network, convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network. We will study about all these things in our upcoming classes. Okay. Next one is NLP. NLP is also a field of artificial intelligence, and NLP is mainly used for language. Like when you tell Alexa to do something for you, when you are translating your local language to some other language, that is used by NLP. Different kind of chatbots helps you, virtual assistant, speech recognition, all these things which are related to languages, which are related to interactions between computer and human language, those comes under NLP, natural language processing. This is also a field of AI. But for NLP, see the picture, you can use deep learning methods, you can use machine learning methods also. By using deep learning, that is by using neural networks, you can use NLP. I mean, you can implement NLP, and by machine learning also you can implement NLP. When it is focused on language, that comes under NLP. Okay, so these are the simple basic differences between all these things. Machine learning, deep learning, NLP, all comes under artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Deep learning is a specialized field of machine learning. NLP is mainly focused on language and it can be implemented using deep learning and machine learning. So we can say machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, these are techniques, processes by which we can create machines having human intelligence who can solve the problems of human, which is known as artificial intelligence or AI. Okay. If you have any questions, please ask in comment section. I will explain you. I will make a video on that. Okay. Bye. Happy learning.